What's up, everyone? It's been a while since I've posted up an update on my Corolla project. Um, a lot has changed or has been done to the vehicle since the last time I updated the vehicle or updated you guys. I got myself a welder, picked up a Lincoln 140 MP Power MIG. It does MIG, TIG, and stick. Decided to go with this machine too, because eventually if I want to do some TIG welding I can do so. So it's an all-in-one machine, which is why I wanted it. It runs on 110, so I can use it in my garage and not have to upgrade my home electrical system or go with the 120 outlet. Got myself a tank so I can do gas. Tried welding flux core on this vehicle and the chassis, and the weld just came out like crap. I highly recommend, if you are going to do any welding on the body and the chassis, go with gas shielded. I'm using a 0.025 solid wire, and it's welding is 9-day difference, so I highly recommend that. And I'm going to show you what I did. As you can see, the interior is completely gutted. I already welded up this area here, stitch welded a couple areas, and I kind of just painted it over with some primer so there's no more rust. Reinforce this bracing right here all the way across. Reinforce this mounts right here. Didn't get a chance to this one, but I figured I'm not gonna have too many passengers, so this should be fine. Reinforce the transmission tunnel a little bit. This was an area where it was broken when I got the body. The actual, this bracket right here broke off, so I had to re-weld this back on. As you can see, just in case, I welded the crap out of it to reinforce it so it doesn't break anymore. Definitely not winning any beauty contests with these welds, but you know what, they work. They're gonna be strong, and I don't have to worry about this breaking. Same thing with this bracket. This broke off as well. Again, not gonna win any beauty contests, but the welds are solid and the bracket's solid. I'm not gonna worry about this thing breaking anytime soon. I went ahead and welded the body as well. Stitch welded up this bracing here all the way across, welded up right here all the way to the top, welded that part right there, just give it a little more rigidity. Cleaned up the back right here because I'm going to be putting some breeze fab strut mount brackets and reinforcement pieces that I got from Ryan. Thanks, Ryan. I got to clean up a couple more areas right here so I can get the bracket on as smooth as possible, or as flush as possible, so I can weld those guys in and go from there. I most probably will just do that one piece right there, and that would be it for pretty much the interior. Oh, actually, probably weld up this guy right here on the inside instead of doing it on the outside, so this way this part gets reinforced as well. Other than that, the interior is solid. Eventually I'm gonna be putting in the cage and welding it in to the body, and then start reassembling the car. So definitely next I'm going to be going underneath the car, especially in the rear end area where the forward links are and the lateral bar are, and reinforcing those areas as well. Give it a little more rigidity, tighten up the rear end a little bit more, and then from there I'm going to move up to the front and tighten up the front end as well. Weld in the reinforcement plates I got from Breeze Fab and Floss IE. So that's definitely, the front end's going to be nice and solid, and definitely going to be nice. I'm excited. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll bring some more in the future. Thanks.